Hello mga boss, kamusta? Ito nga pala ang system unit ni client. After 6 months pa lang niya na, kitang-kita niyo sobrang dumi na at ang daming buhok na pumasok sa kanyang rigs. At siya ay nagpa-home service sa atin. At ito nga pala ang existing RGB fans niya na YGT na only rainbow lang ang kulay. Ayan, binaklas na natin at gusto niya i-upgrade to in-clay ice tower, changing color with remote. Ayan, ngayon na-install na natin to at ito na ang kakalabasan. And after that, tignan ang resulta. Kung gaano kalupit, napakaangas. Outfit check, outfit check. Ayan, depende sa mood. Pwede mong ibahin ng mga kulay niyan to orange, green, white. Ayan, outfit check, napakaangas.
Wow!
Ayan, nakaset up naman yan for balance ng merong intake at mga 4 exhaust fan para maayos ang airflow. And also, nag-refill na tayo ng turbo paste kaya maganda na rin ang standard status ng kanyang temperature. Thank you sir sa ulitin.
Preventive Maintenance Cleaning powered by
VPCS Computer Parts and Services. Top 10 most common computer problems. Computer is slow.
Windows won't boot.
Overheating.
No display. The computer won't start.
Strange noises.
Dropped internet connections.
Abnormally functioning operating system or software.
Defective components.
Issues about compatibility.
Sample of VPCS builds. Proof of clients and legitimacy.